Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get your Udemy certificate. All right, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to the Udemy site and log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to where your achievements are stored. Here, gently scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. At the bottom, you'll find an option that says See All Certification. Click on that, and it's like opening a treasure chest filled with all the potential certifications you can achieve through Udemy. After choosing a certification, select a course within that certification track. Each course is designed to help you master a specific set of skills and knowledge required to achieve certification. Click on the course that catches your interest to see more details. To enroll in the course, click on Add to Cart. This will add the course to your shopping cart, a familiar process if you've ever purchased anything online. Once added, proceed to buy the course. Udemy often provides various payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal, among others. Choose the one that's most convenient for you. After purchasing, it's time to dive into learning. Once you finish and pass all the required tests or assignments, Udemy will offer you a certificate of completion. This certificate is not just a piece of paper, it's a testament to your hard work, dedication, and newly acquired skills. And that's it. So that is how you can get your Udemy certificate. So that's all for this video. Thanks.